Welcome to everyone to our live webinar session on 3D printer. Myself Mithun Gain, HOD JI School of Polytechnic, and I am happy to inform that one of our student, third year student, Mr. Debanjan Bishwas, with the guidelines of Mr. Deepshankar Chatterjee, make a wonderful project that is 3D printer. Now I would like to hand over this session to Mr. Deepshankar Chatterjee. Mr. Chatterjee, can you hear me?
Yes, thank you, Mithun sir, HOD Mechanical Engineering Department, JSP Kolani. So today we are here for a live seminar webinar on 3D printer. Basically, this topic choose because our third year mechanical department student Debanjan Bishwas already made a project on 3D printer. So on that basis, I like to share the concept, the thinking, and the engineering behind 3D printer, and mainly the applications which is very required. Basically, we will define today the definition of 3D printing. We all know that 2D printing we have all idea, like photocopy, photo printing, all this is based on 2D, two-dimensional, but 3D means three-dimensional live object we can print by the means of a printer. This is basically the called or additive manufacturing. I will discuss the topic additive manufacturing later. First we have to know define the 3D printing. 3D printing is a form of additive manufacturing technology where three-dimensional object is created by laying down successive layers of material. That's why it is also called additive manufacturing. 3D printing is achieved using an additive process where successive layers of material are laid down in different shapes. So first we have to know what is additive manufacturing and what is subtractive manufacturing. In workshop you have all seen the lathe operation, drilling operation, where what is happening, the material is removed by machining process because losses of material from the object or that workpiece. But in the case of 3D printing, we are adding material to manufacture a product. That's why 3D printing is additive manufacturing, and other machining operations are called subtractive manufacturing. So this is the basic example and basic definitions of additive and subtractive manufacturing. Next slide, please. See, we already said that the additive manufacturing by what? By joining materials of object 3D model data layer by layer process. You have seen layer by layer is getting down and we are getting the final object. The original object is given in the blue color, and how we get by separating layer and layer on that basis. Next slide, please. See, here is the main term. Here you can look that digital fabrication. What is fabrication? You all know how we fabricate any object, any material in engineering. First we take the material and then cutting and other operation and joining process we get the final product. That is the fabrication process. Here is the fabrication process is called digital fabrication. From digital, the eye we would get, it takes a model. Or first we have to require a CAD model. Then we have to design that model in the designing software. After that, it turns into a real physical object or prototype by the means of printing. So that is comes in the way from I to it, model to design to the final object. So next slide, please. See, you can see that in left side you have a CAD model which is designed in AutoCAD designing software, and after that we will get a prototype of same thing, same product by 3D printing. Okay, this is an object, an example of a 3D printing. Next slide, please. Here Here is how the additional process is done. This figure you will show. This is the process how the addition of the layer in 3D printing done. First, we have to prepare a CAD model by designing, and then we have to select the material. After that, we have to slice. How we will subtract the layer, we add the layer. How we add the layer? For that, we prepare this slicing the model. How we slice that? Then we can add in the printing process of 3D dimensional. This is the 6 processes of the 3D printing additional process. Next slide, please. Okay, now 3D printing. What is the characteristics of 3D printer? It is easy to use because you have nothing to do by in your hand. If you have to prepare the model and keep it for printing, like Xerox machine and photo printing, you keep the product and then on the switch, then automatic printing is done. Like this, here also it can be possible. Then economical to own once. Economical means how economical it own to once. It will be discussed in next slides. Okay. Then where you can use, it can use in office, lab, homes, etc. Like you have to prepare any design any project, then you want to print it. You can print it via 3D printer. Okay. Equipping students skills for the future. This is very important for students. Like Devanjan who made the project in 3D printer, it is under progress of the project, but our maximum the project work was done. It can print. The video will be shown in the next slide. So equipping students with skills for the future. Affordably priced. How affordably priced? We will also discuss that thing in our next slide. It's take digital input from 3D data. Means a digital input required like CAD modeling, and it creates a solid 3D parts. After printing, it creates a solid 3D parts used extensively by designers, engineers, hobbyists for other purpose. Like designer means not only the engineering designer, any jewelry designers. You can see also the next slide the various applications where the 3D printer can be used and make ease of their work in various industries, in various sections, in various areas. Okay, so next concept of development and product design. The very main part was the product design and its output and its testing. Where we have designed a product for testing purpose, we have taken many times, various times and long times for final product manufacturing. Okay, for the testing purpose. If you manufacture the product or the prototype in very small time, the time is reduced and the production time is increased. In normal manufacturing process, if you have to manufacture a prototype, it requires more time. But in 3D printing, you can make the prototype in very short time. Like you have the time to first you have to you use the time in designing. Then 3D printing can use the product in 2 to 3 days for final production. After the testing was successful, you can start manufacturing the process. It will take maximum 2 to 3 months. But in original manufacturing process where 3D printer not used, we are using manufacturing process, various original man-made or CNC or automation manufacturing process. It will take long time for this production purpose. So objectives such as fitting, crafts, jewelry, and many others. These are the applications. So next slide, please. This you can see. This is one kind of the various pictures of 3D printing machines of different sizes. This is the machines of different 3D printing size, the equipment where the printing process is done. Here you can see the computers or where we can see make our design and start our printing in 3D printing in these machines. So next slide, please. So what I said first, it is a unitable triangle. It is very fast. Its speed increases. It reduces the price. How price? If you design the product, so it will take less price for manufacturing. Okay, and the quality also good, because if you lose the if you can change the design, I can say the reverse engineering can be used in this 3D printing process, which is not possible in other manufacturing process. I can explain the slide in next. Okay, next slide, please. These are the various additive manufacturing processes. This you have required. Is this the slides, Mithu sir, or we skipped some slide? I think we skipped. Yes, this is okay. These are the some products we can print. If you manufacture, you have to manufacture this kind of product. It will take long time. But if you can design this kind of product, you are able to procure this machine, this product very in short time. Next slide, please. See, here you can see the 3D printer does not record any mold as a procedure to manufacture. If you have to create this type of product like remote, you have required a mold. So first you have losing the time for manufacturing the mold, then you can get your prototype. But in 3D printing process, we are omitting this mold. We have not required this kind of mold. We can print direct the remote for our observation of the design or checking the design or testing the design. Okay, next slide, please. See, here are some additive manufacturing process. Today in this presentation, I am not describing the processes because it takes long time. So I just go through the names. This is selective laser sintering processes, fuse deposition modeling processes, tear lithography, and digital light processing. These are the various additive manufacturing process. In this, with this process, we can print the 3D object, okay, in 3D printing machines. So next slide, please. Okay, now see the world is changed by this 3D printer and printing process. Like the various section I am using, you can see each and every application by this presentation. First, see medical procedures, advance in research, product prototyping. The main is historic preservation. Okay, historic preservation. Architectural engineering, construction, advanced manufacturing, food industries, automotive industries, and accessories. In various all these sectors can be get very short time for their product manufacturing by the help of this 3D printing process and the 3D printer. Next slide, please. See, the object size can from a smaller to the large, which we have required, we can print in 3D printer. You have seen in previous slide the size of the 3D printer. Now see the product size of the 3D printer. Okay, from small to large, we can print in 3D printer. Okay, next slide, please. See, very complex shapes we cannot manufacture in our normal manufacturing processes, but we can manufacture this type of models in 3D. Like the various geometrical difficulty and complexity in the design, but we can print it by the 3D printer and see the final object and check our designing consideration. Next, this is some applications. Okay, some models. Next, now this term, here is written the three terms: form, fit, and function. You have seen the form, the tire form, how the grip was worked. We can check by printing in 3D. Some part, some gripping part we can check by 3D printer. So the form is okay. Now the fit, you have required to check a seat, chair fittings and other things which you assemble after the manufacturing and make a complete product. So the fitting parts will be checked easily by the 3D printer, and the designing can be approved very in short period of time. And now last, the functioning. If you can print a product which you have required to for our purpose, not this gun, or a pump, you can manufacture a pump by 3D printing and check its lines and other pressure, other extra testing procedure by these processes. So the terms, three terms, form, fit, and function can be achieved by this 3D printing application. Next slide, please. See, if you, for the tunnel testing, if you have to check some wind tunnel testing required, so that you can, for designing purpose, in automobile, you can see also the third year students studied aerodynamic considerations For this kind of aerodynamic consideration and tunnel checking, you can check the design by printing the product, three-dimensional product in 3D printing machine, and in very short period of time the design can be approved and the production can be start very short time. Next slide please. See some validated invention. If you do some research work in designing, you have some product, how it works, you can print it and check it your research work and other invention by 3D printing method. This is some example. You and I think third year students and all can understand which figure is this. This is some wheel and axle and suspension system of automobile is shown here. Next please. Okay, for this pattern, this is not third year, second year and third year already students have studied the casting pattern. These patterns can be manufactured or produced in very short time by 3D printing from the digital fabrication process. That's why this is termed as digital fabrication process. You can fabricate this casting pattern in very short time. In original manufacturing process, you have taking long time to make this pattern. Okay, and if the design consideration is changed, then we can do reverse engineering. That can be instructed or we will discuss in next slide. Next slide please. See, this is also a part of casting. You can manufacture mold also. Next slide please. Now for the designing purpose, you can design the jewelry for the fashion industry and others industry which are using this printer. They can check their design, how it looks, how it okay or right or not. It is very short period of time by this process, and this can take the pattern. You can manufacture this pattern in short time and produce your product in very less time. So production can be increased in very fast way, and the company will get the profit. If you invest fast time, you will get result in future. Next please. See the jewelry designs, various jewelry design, complicated designs can be produced here by the process of 3D printing, and you also can check the measurements by the various metrology and measurement control process. See the photograph is given in the slide. Next slide please. Okay, see if you have to produce this kind of pattern, you have to require various machining processes, but in this 3D printing, the tooling purpose is reduced by various percentage. You can produce these types of parts. This is complicated parts which you have to do by tooling, and means machining process. It is omitted. It is omitted in 3D printing. You can check your model by 3D printing process. So this 3D printing process, you are watching that, you are listening and understanding that the 3D printing process is reducing our time, and you have give us time and give us chance to recheck in very short time, and you can change your, you can correct your problem period of time. So next slide please. See what I am telling, that it is a very interesting part. Many have not heard the term reverse engineering. You don't have heard this term reverse engineering. What is reverse engineering? You have seen the three pictures. One is the old model. If there is any problem in designing, you scan that product and take it into the CAD model design, change the design, and then manufacture the product. So you can check and reduce the material cost and material waste by this process. Very interesting subject. This is also one part of engineering in various disciplines, that is reverse engineering process. Okay, next part, next slide. The next slide please. This man has a brain injury. This scalp is broken, so it required a brain operation and to check the other parts. This is biomedical parts. So next slide please. So in this process, after scanning the part, you can print it by the proper material selection, and you can add this part in very short period of time, and it helps the medical industries in vast way, not only in operation but designing the various kinds of medical operating instruments and various parts. Like if anyone have any other injuries in various bones and other parts, it can be produced by this process. But the main thing is the proper. So next slide, please. This is, you can check the various, I am already telling the various medical application you can see by this slide how we can achieve by 3D printing processes. By modeling of various injured parts and others like teeth, head injury, other bone injuries, we can achieve by this process. Next slide, please. In automobile industry, you can print that proper design by this 3D printing process. You can see if you designed any automobile body parts and other etc., you can check it, the design and it functions by this 3D printing process, which reduce the time and design consideration in very short cost and short time, which is invested one time. Next slide, please. Here you can see the material option. Material option is very important. Metallic parts, in this portion we have very much research work is going on for material selection. Okay, various research works going on for material selection, that we can produce a final product by this 3D printing process. There are some metallic materials we can use. Next slide, please. Some polymers and composites. You have heard the names of these materials. Okay, also this is called metal matrix composites, we also used, and others like sand, ceramic, elastomer, tungsten, this type of materials, and biocomposite. This is for medical purpose we can use. This is the material options of 3D printing, but it is under various research work. This is a very important research part for nowadays for the material selection, which will be low costing and high effectiveness. Okay, so next slide, please. So limitation that the cost, the initial cost is high. So for large compression, and the maintenance and other parts is way is very costly. But the accuracy, if you got the and want to check the accuracy, if you not get the accuracy, then the product finalization is very less. Can be made, but not final product is very. For designing, checking, you can use 3D printing. Finish is required for finishing purpose. You require other machining process, and strength purpose. As I said already, the material selection is very required, and as we not get the proper strength, that's why not comes into the final product application. We are just on the level of prototyping and the material option. There is a very problem in material options. That's why the research work is under process, and we can achieve in future the final product application by 3D printing. Next slide, please. So now you can see our project. I want to hand over this part to our third year student, Mr. Devanjan Bishwas. He can continue the next part. All can see.
So these are the components of our 3D printer. These components with the 3D printer is manufactured or construct, and the whole process of the manufacturing or construction, we have already, the whole process of construction of 3D printer we have already gone through, and there are some other component for 3D printer, and I want to like to hand over this session to Mr. Deepshankar Chatterjee. Mr. Deepshankar Chatterjee.
Yes, thank you, Mithun sir. my all department members also known and aware of this project. This project is totally conducted or prepared in our college campus with the help of our student groups of third year mechanical engineering. The captain, I can say the captain of this project is Devanjan Vishwas with his initiatives, and other members also participated by physically and others by giving their product. This is self-finance project. No external help we have got from any institution and any other sources. All the students have their own expenses to prepare this project, and by the grace of God and their hard work give us this chance to construct or deliver and live webinar with the live video of this project in this circumstances, in this crisis. Thanks Devanjan and the third year students who are in this group for preparing this third year final year project, and good appreciation from our on behalf of mechanical engineering department, JSP Kollani and other students. This the main purpose for this presentation is the junior students also join from first year and second year. This is for encouragement. This is for, I want to show you that our college students are involved in such kind of projects. So you can help from the seniors, your faculties and other sources, our other external faculty members and other expertise also can help us. We can arrange, we have the resource for this kind of project. You came with your thoughts, if it is within the budget of your, and we can create this kind of projects. So for the project, in this project, for the market value purpose, this is common thing. You can you can get this kind of printers in market, okay, online. But the main purpose of this project is that the cost of this kind of project is near about 50,000, but we still expensed 14,000. We are our total costing 14,000 for this project. It may increase up to more than 2,500 for some modification purpose, but we can achieve within 20,000. So the market, if we can manufacture this product in mass amount, the cost will be reduced. So the market price is 50,000 and we manufactured this product within 20,000. Within 20,000. This is one kind of essence we have tried to get by this project, and mainly with this infrastructure we are achieved this project in this scenario of COVID-19. So thanks Devanjan and his team and the guidance of the other faculty members of mechanical department JSP Kollani and the support for them for preparing this project. So now we conclude this 3D printing project. Before the conclusion, we have seen various kind of application of 3D printing in this presentation, but there is some limitation in each and every manufacturing process. There is various limitations you have studied in your textbook and many persons have faced in their practical classes. There is a various type of limitation in manufacturing. See, this is not exceptional 3D printing, it has also various limitations, but the project and the research work is going on to overcome these limitations. If we can achieve and cross the wall, we can get a very interesting and nice days for in manufacturing industry, in each and every sector of manufacturing industry. Okay, and you can change the costing, you can change the design in very short period of time. So we can conclude the seminar with this process. Thank you. Vidul sir, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Deepshankar sir. And I would like to connect with Mr. Abhishek Poddar sir. We have Mr. Abhishek Poddar sir.
Hello, sir.
Please,
good afternoon, everyone.
Please convey your your feelings and convey your knowledge about this 3D printer with our student.
Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity for the participation of this seminar organized by Deep Shankar sir and you, and with my beloved student Devanjan. I think 3D printing is a current scenario. In this current scenario, 3D printing is well known and very much effective nowadays. That is a part in a additive manufacturing. If I am not wrong, Deep Shankar sir was agree with that. That is a part in a
Yes,
additive
this is
manufacturing.
additive manufacturing. This is called additive manufacturing because we are adding
Additive
materials. That is
manufacturing.
why it's
Yes.
called additive manufacturing.
And
Hello.
they are making the cavity of the teeth by using this 3D printing nowadays, and that is very essential part. I think student we are very much interested about the printing except their knowledge, but the thing is that the 3D printing is essential for the our cultural activities as well as our day-to-day activities as well as the big manufacturing areas. So on belonging on that, I think this is the essence of the JISSP. This is make it happen. That is not so much easy to make this thing with a short period of time, with a huge number of efforts at every aspects of our students are satisfied. And what I say, your contribution, our contribution, and our students' contribution, and our college contribution is all are the gathered with a common platform and make it happen is a very good output. Thank you, sir. I think all of us are enjoyed the seminar with a gathering huge amount of knowledge about the additive manufacturing and 3D printing. Thank
Okay,
you, all
thank
of
you.
you.
Okay, thank you, Abhishek sir. I just want to convey a message to our student, one or two messages to our student, that we have the capacity, our student have the ability, and our college have the platform that can provide student, and our student can use their theoretical practical knowledge by in our college to do some innovative work, and we can perform many innovative work throughout the year, throughout the semester. There is not one single example, there is many single example in this type of innovative work, innovative type of project. And I want to encourage my student, including first year, second year, and also third year. They can use their knowledge based on practical knowledge, theoretical knowledge, and innovative idea. They can invent new things for society, new things for our country, and they can produce or make many various innovative projects to fight against COVID-19 and other type of pandemic virus, etc. So students have to understand, firstly, they have the capacity, they have the ability to do something, to do some innovative project, to do some innovative model, etc. That's all. Okay, and finally, I would like to hand over this session for conclusion to Mr. Deep Shankar Chatterjee, and from my inner heart, I want to thank you, Devanjan Bishas, for such a good project, good innovative project, and I also thank my colleagues and students to attend the webinar, live webinar. The webinar is very successful webinar, and we gathered many various knowledge about 3D printer and the future of 3D printer and application of 3D printer. Okay, thank you. So, Mr. Deep Shankar Chatterjee.
Thank you, Mithun sir. Thank you, Mithun sir. Thank you, Abhishek sir, and other faculty members and students. Thank you for successfully completion of this webinar. And I'd like to conclude the seminar with three few words, that you have seen that in this 3D printing, You have required various subject knowledge from designing to manufacturing, material science, machine design, and other various subjects. You have to gather knowledge. So no, you have studying engineering, but the application required through projects. So do some projects, innovative projects. This is my request. This is my words for this webinar. Do some innovative projects, bring some idea. Projects can be done when we prepared, but bring some ideas. Okay, take a oath today, and we can tell each and everyone that JISSP students are doing something different. Mainly our mechanical engineering department. We also achieved the first project prize in various competitions. I think in this year project competition we will get the another first prize with this 3D printer, because this is an outstanding project which is achieved in very low cost. So thank you again. Thank you everyone for participating in this webinar and making it successful.